This video guides you step by step through viewing and managing questions and answers for a specific reporting requirement in the BTR Review collaboration tool. You'll learn exactly how to access, organize, and take action on questions, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. In the Questions and Answers Overview module, you can easily view and manage all submitted and responded questions. Actions such as approving, rejecting, sending to party, and following up are available at your fingertips. To raise new questions, simply go to the checklist area. For a quick tutorial on submitting questions, watch our instructional video. To get started, make sure you're in review space of the country you're working on. On the landing page, select the party you want to review. Next, use the main navigation menu on the left to choose the review space. Then, click the Questions and Answers box below the checklist area. Here, you'll see all questions and answers for your party displayed in a convenient table, including details like action, status, reporting requirement, review area, and question ID. At the top of the overview page, use the filters to sort and manage questions according to your needs. You can organize by place, review area, thematic checklist, reporting requirements, as set out in the MPGs, status within the workflow, ranking your own questions, organized by actions, raised, approved, rejected, depending on your role. Below the filters, questions are grouped into easy-to-navigate categories. All. View every question and answer that fits your selected filters. Requiring action. See which questions and answers need your attention. Drafts. Review your draft questions that still need action. Easily switch between these tabs to explore different sets of questions and answers. After using filters or categories, you can export selected questions to Excel, making offline review and sharing quick and simple. Remember to use the refresh button regularly to see the latest updates in real time. When a question needs your action, the Manage option appears in the Action column, letting you take the next steps based on your role. Click Manage to open the Question Details tab, where you'll find all related information and uploaded files. You'll also see action buttons like Delete, Edit, Reject, Send to Lead Reviewer, Technical Review Officer, Party, or Follow Up. Use these options as needed depending on your role. Under the History tab, review the main text and history for each question and answer. For questions and answers you only want to read, select the View option. No actions can be performed here. The question and answer view form is always being updated to make your experience easier and more user-friendly.